So we've looked at how we can convert a fraction into a decimal. Now we're going to look at how we can convert a decimal back into a fraction. So really for this we need to recognise place value. So for 0.12 we want to think about this as the tenths. So we've got the tenths column and then we've got the hundredths column. Okay, and you really want to focus in on the last one that you have the value in. So here we could say that we have 12 hundredths. Okay, so you want to think about this as 12 hundredths, so 12 over 100. So now we have converted this into a fraction, but it's not a fraction in its simplest form. So I also want to make sure that we can convert it into a fraction in its simplest form as well. So both the numerator and the denominator are even, so you can divide top and bottom by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Then we can divide top and bottom by 2 again because they're both even. So we will get 6 divided by 2 is 3. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now, of course, you could have gone straight from here to here by dividing top and bottom by 4. Okay? Really depends on if you're confident to do that, if you can spot it. Don't worry about taking 2 steps just because somebody else can do it in 1. Okay? So, 0.12 is 3/25. So how about 3.8? Well, again, I'm looking at the last column that you have. So this column here is the tenths column. So we have 38 tenths. So you want to write that as 38 tenths, like that. Okay, so both of these are even, so we can simplify it down. So 38 divided by 2 is 19, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And now they are co-prime, so we cannot cancel that any further. So this is 19 fifths. 3.8 is 19 fifths. And in the next video, we're going to go through some more examples of doing this.